Hello, my alter ego is the Supermom of animals. I am 32 years old and I have lived in the shadows for a long time. I had built an animal shelter to help homeless pets. I have saved thousands of animals throughout my life. I have given a new home to many pets and I have made many children happy. I have earned lots of praises for my job with animals, but that is not important for me. I have been happy with the love given to my by animals and the people that I have made happy. I have never been cruel to any animals. I have protected them all the time. I might save all the homeless pets in the world in 5 years. I have traveled all over the world looking for more people interested in saving animals. I have reached the last corner of the world and I have met very special people who want to help me. Thank you very much.